Are you considering planning a solo trip to Las Vegas? Do you already have a trip planned and your traveling companion has backed out and now you're wondering if you should still go? Don't let the lack of a traveling companion stop you. Rolling solo could be a preferable way to travel to fabulous Las Vegas. Kick it! Traveling solo will give you the freedom and control to self-indulge. Go ahead and choose your own activities, sleep in, order room service. If you love attractions, go to attractions. If you hate them, skip them. You don't have to consult with anybody on the details. When you wake up in the morning, you say to yourself, "What do I want to do today?" Las Vegas, with its hustle and flow of the Strip and its buzzing casinos, is a perfect destination for solo travel. Research and learn about the area ahead of time. Learn about the transportation systems and know how to get to your hotel. Study a map and take note of the bad areas. Learn the layout of the properties you want to visit and the nearby food options. A great way to do that is to watch the videos on this channel. New informative content every week. Hit that bell icon down below to get notified. Plan on staying at a Strip or Fremont Street hotel that has a 24-hour desk. And be sure to keep someone informed of your itinerary and your whereabouts. Be aware of your surroundings. Don't walk alone at night where there are no other people around. Do not wander or explore off the Strip or Fremont Street at night by foot. To avoid scammers and con artists in public areas, always look like you know where you're going. Be confident and blend in, which is easy to do in Las Vegas. And do not drink excessively until you are at your hotel. Everyone is different, and historically, Las Vegas has always been a place where you can be yourself. You can float from place to place, activity to activity, with as much or little interaction as you prefer. If you're extroverted and you get energized from social contact, there are the endless casino table games, bars, and clubs. Rolling solo in Las Vegas can be ideal for introverts as well. There is so much to see and do in fabulous Las Vegas. The attractions, the exhibits, eateries, malls, and shops, all to explore and absorb at your own pace. And when you need some solitude to recharge, your room is always nearby. Dining alone can be a little challenging, but keep in mind for business travelers, dining alone is normal. Try dining during the off hours. You can bring a book or tablet to read. Or sit at the bar or counter to interact with the bartender and the patrons. For some meals, you can use the food courts and casual dining. Eat on the go. Stay in your room and order some room service or Uber Eats. Travel light to save money and make your journey easier. Don't carry valuables, jewelry, or anything that attracts attention to yourself. Bring only things that serve a purpose. When you can, book your Uber in advance so you don't have to wait outside for a long period of time. Use the 3 free trams, Las Vegas Monorail, the Deuce, and the CX Express to make getting around easier. Get free rooms, tickets to attractions, free play, cocktails, and more by playing the My Vegas Slots mobile app. To see more, hit the link in the description box below. And hey, if you like what I'm doing, you can buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Help me upgrade and grow, and buy me a Joe. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.